Got another Cruising the USA ready. I remember this game when it first came out in 95, 96. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to flash back to my daughter when she was so little playing a cruising game from our old infomercial.
Cruising!
Ah, yes, Cruising. Tammy was weaned on this game. This is the first game she learned how to play when she was just 2. Go ahead, start her up. This game lets you pick out what kind of car you want. Pick your car, change the color. By pressing a button on the dashboard, you can change the color and model of the car too.
Ready? Set, go!
The high-resolution graphics and sound are just tremendous. The force feedback steering feels like a real car. Big change, huh? I walked around the game. Kids, actually part of the infomercial shows me doing this. I'm going to do it again, Frank. Walk this way. Walk this way. There we go. Okay. In the old show, I point out the ROMs and how nice it is. There's no hard drive in it. Cruising circuit boards are quite fascinating to see. Let me show you. Get a light. The heart of all video games is the logic board. This board here has all the graphics and sound of what you see on the screen. These 20 chips here have all the picture images of you driving coast to coast. They're transferred to these smaller chips as you play the game, so there's a nice fluid movement to the game as you go. There's no herky-jerkiness, and you're not waiting for constant reloads as you would with a CD-ROM. Isn't that annoying to see the flashing icon flash loading, loading, loading? Let me cut away to my brother's house and I'll show you something. Hopefully you won't end up like my nephew Jonathan and his girlfriend Jen as they wait and wait and wait for those CD-ROMs to load. Just cleaning up the cobwebs is a chore. These 8 chips here have all the music encoded on chips. They give you digital music. All this information is sent over to this board here, which controls the forced feedback of the steering up front. So this board here sends different impulses to a motor that's bolted to the steering wheel. This also has the amplifier for the sound system. There's 2 amplifiers because there's 2 separate channels. Down here, this is the power supply, and this supplies all the needed voltages to run all these boards. And usually we put a brand new one of these in when we sell you a game. We put a new battery here, power supply we have rebuilt, we've put some new parts in, and we've also reflowed solder on the edges, a brand new power supply. It's interesting, back when that video was made, we didn't really have to do all that stuff because the game was new. Customer getting this loved it, played it in the showroom, thought it was great. We have the seat fixed so they lock in again. I guess a lot of you are aware, a lot of these don't lock in right. All fixed. Took out the original black T-molding and put black and chrome. Looks really sharp. Game came up beautiful. Look at the artwork on this machine. It's just stunning. I think our customer's going to be very pleased when he gets it. And this is going out with the Terminator.